What is moving average? A moving average is one of the simplest indicators in technical analysis. A moving average is basically an average value of the price over the last specified number of candles. So, for example, a moving average of period 10 is the average price over the last 10 candles. Moving averages are popular for the following reasons. They can reduce the noise, showing a smoother movement of price. Help detecting trends. Help spotting trend reversals. One of the problems of moving averages is that they are lagging indicators, so they lag behind price, often giving signals too late. Being a very simple instrument, they are usually considered together with other indicators or price action. What is moving average crossover indicator? Moving average crossover indicator with alert is a tool for MetaTrader that can notify you when two moving averages cross each other. Moving average crossover indicator includes two moving averages and displays them on screen. Many trading strategies base their entry and exit signals on MA crossovers. While a MACD indicator shows the crossovers in a histogram chart, this indicator only shows the moving averages. A crossover in two moving averages of different period can indicate a trend reversal. The MA crossover alert indicator for MetaTrader is the best indicator for trading moving average crossovers. It gives you signals when two moving averages, fast and slow MA, cross each other. The MT5 indicator helps you spot different trading opportunities during trend reversals and continuations. The purpose is to notify you when two moving averages cross, which could be potential trade setups. The moving average crossover alert indicator draws a buy/sell arrow signal immediately after the fast and small moving averages cross. The indicator looks simple on the charts and does not clutter up your trading panel as both moving averages are hidden from the chart. This makes using this indicator convenient as it does not interfere with the display of candlesticks on your chart. In addition, the indicator can be integrated into scalping, daily, intraday or swing trading. However, this MT5 indicator should not be used in isolation. It should be used as a confluence with your trading strategy or price action. It is also recommended to use it in conjunction with other trading indicators. This is because the moving averages are lagging behind the price. Moving average crossover alert indicator for MT4/MT5 MetaTrader platform includes a moving average among its indicators. However, it comes without any crossover notification option. In many cases it is useful to get a notification in some moving average crossover situations because they could be trading opportunities. You can benefit from this alert in both trend following and trend reversal strategies. To help with this missing feature, you can download our moving average crossover alert indicator for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This indicator allows you to get notification when some conditions trigger. You can receive notifications via email, mobile app, push notifications on screen. Input parameters. The indicator is very flexible and you can set several parameters. Period of the moving averages. Type of the moving averages, simple, exponential, weighed, TAMA, in MT5, and so on. Shift. Type of notifications. Color and size of the signals on the chart. How to use the MA crossover alert indicator for buy/sell signals. The chart above shows the MA crossover alert indicator for MT5 in action on the US dollar to Japanese yen chart. The indicator draws an arrow signal when there is a crossover between period 5 of the fast moving average and period 20 of the slow moving average. The indicator is recommended for both beginners and experienced Forex traders. It gives more reliable trading signals on higher timeframes. This is due to the fact that there is too much noise on the lower timeframes. While it is true that moving averages cross over to show potential trading opportunities, not all crossovers are valid signals. Thus, the indicator is best used with price action or any trading strategy. For example, the above signal depicts a valid buy setup. The MA crossover indicator has drawn a buy signal arrow, which coincides with the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. The buy arrow acts as a confluence with an engulfing pattern, confirming that the market is in an uptrend. Therefore, the signal was correct. The market moved up a few points. This is just a typical way to put this indicator to good use. You can also use the indicator to take profit or cut losing trades, especially when it shows an opposite arrow that matches.